out the streets, call me Mr. James. I feel like Kobe when it came to the game. I feel like Kobe when it came to the game. I'll do anything to win. I feel like I'm changed from another nigga to another nigga. I ain't know who the fuck I am, cause I came from the bitches, nigga. Hey, you a bitch, you a hoe. Came from the bitches that I heard them niggas speaking on Taylor. What happened? When I see that nigga back, I know it hurt it when he capping. He capping on Taylor, but I heard these niggas really capping. I got 7.66 all that come out this map. It got a map, but it don't got extensions. I got a Glock, look like a bitch and hit the trenches. If I see a nigga rape a girl, have you seen a dead body? Or you go see one after niggas fed body? Put a nigga on the news for raping a bitch. Oh, his mama crying, have a stake in this bitch. My mama put a nigga in jail. I heard them niggas in the jail. My sister put a nigga in jail. When I see him, when he get out, hope I'm a feeling by then, cause I better not have a Glock by then. When I see that nigga, I'ma shoot him in the eye. I don't give a fuck if I have to kill his sister, his brother, or his fucking mama, bitch. Cause I got 7.62s out the blick like a Halo. Niggas wanna call me Ray J, young Halo. I heard them capping, I heard it capping on the news, they capping on Taylor. I heard them capping on the bitch, heard them niggas got senses, I heard them niggas got blicks. Heard my mama got a sticks like she ain't no shit. I got 7.62s, my dad, baby, he gon' back his words up like a bitch. Heard them niggas got stitches, but I got Glocks with this bitch. Like, I'm game bitch, bouncing on his dick, nut in her mouth, I can call it stitch, Call me daddy like, ooh, like an itch, Baby really comping on his dick. I got covers and sixes, I got blicks on his bitch. I got 7.682 condoms look like a stitch. Oh, I might slide a condom, cause condoms really feel different. I heard that girl talking, baby, you can feel different. Feel this dick inside of you, better will feel different. I heard them bitches talking on tail like it's grill switch. I feel like I'm a deal switch. You call me a deal, cause how good I fuck with. Oh, I heard your mama said that her hurts with. Oh, your husband, huh? I was it. I heard that nigga bust quick, got 6 8 your nuts kid. Hey bro, why your girl told me you bust quick? These bullets gon' come out like it's lead, like you hush it. Hush it, push it, bitch, I'ma crush it. Like, and she does it. Fucking your bitch, now she wanna call me a husband.